All right, so I'm going to go over outlining and a couple of other things that you will need to know in order to complete your synthesis essay. So whichever class you're in, you're going to see this slideshow on your folder for quarter 4, week 3. I'm just using my 10th grade here. For example, 9th grade won't look much different. So the requirements here just show you basically what is expected of you when you go about writing this paragraph. You'll have to use your sources from Alabama Virtual Library, and as I have explained to you, I highly suggest Alabama Virtual Library because it's easier to cite your sources from there. You will need 2 to 3 sources. Each class will have to have a 5 to 6 paragraph essay that includes 3 body paragraphs, and it will need to be in MLA format with correct grammar and all that good stuff. The first thing you'll have to do once you've chosen your research topic and researched on it obviously for a little bit, you'll have to turn in your outline, and it should look something like this. It should have your Roman numerals out to the side as so, with your introduction. This is just your first paragraph. Ignore this 2 to 3 paragraphs. Your introduction should be 1 paragraph, and it should go something like this: your quote or something interesting as your first sentence. Second sentence, a statement of, what is your problem, why. Tell me a little bit about the problem, because you have to assume that your reader knows nothing about whatever it is your topic is. And your thesis statement should be at the end of that first paragraph. So next will be your body paragraphs 1, 2, and 3, and they will go as follows: each problem, and what's happened, how can it be fixed, what's happened, how can it be fixed, what's happened, how can it be fixed, along with your citations and all that good stuff. And finally, your conclusion paragraph. Lastly, you will find on this slide the rubric. And this goes through every little thing that you'll be graded for on your synthesis essay. Your thesis statement will be worth 8 points, your grammar, your intro and conclusion, your organization of your essay. If you follow your outline, your essay should be organized, so that should be an easy 15 points, the content and the in-text citations. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.